Whoa, this could take a while. Well, that took less time than I thought it would.
We did it! And with my file safely in my possession, my little secret is perfectly safe. Whew. Now no one will ever know I lied about my perfect attendance. Success!
Success!
Ah! What is Norm still doing here? Do you think he heard what I just said?
Probably not.
He must have. These halls echo like the Grand Canyon. Now he's gonna tell Principal Huggins, who'll interrogate me, and I'll crumble like a cookie. It's what I do. There goes the dream I just discovered I had.
Okay, take it easy, Clyde.
We have to make sure Norm stays quiet. And I know how to do it. Toilets are all clean. How's it going out here?
The soap, scum, and mildew are almost gone. I think we may be stuck with the smell forever, though.
Loud? McBride? Are you boys cleaning?
Yep, just thought you could use a little help.
Wow, much appreciated. I haven't touched this bathroom since the great flood of 2012.
Well, now you don't have to. And you know what they say, Norm. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. So, we're good, right?
You
You don't have to say anything. You said it all with your eyes. We did it! Now no one will ever know I lied about my attendance record. Do you think Coach Bukowski heard what I just said?
Probably not.
He must have. The acoustics in here are like Carnegie Hall.
Clyde, I really think...
We have to make sure Coach stays quiet. And I know how to do it.
Loud? McBride? What are you doing under my boat?
Just taking care of those pesky barnacles for you, Coach. Gotta keep your vessel in tip-top shape.
Why would you do that?
Well, you know what they say, Coach. I scratch your back, you scratch mine.
I don't think you got enough oxygen down there, McBride. Ma! I just scraped all the barnacles off the boat. Can I have my allowance now?
Phew, that was a close one. If Coach B told Principal Huggins that I lied about my attendance record, I'd be sunk. Yeah! Did Nurse Patty hear what I said about my attendance record?
Does it even matter what I say?
Of course she heard. The lake breeze carried my melodious voice. We have to make sure Nurse Patty stays quiet. And I know just how to do it. Okay, Petey, you seem to be all clear. Don't forget your lollipop. Hey, Nurse Patty.
Oh, what are you boys doing in my office?
We just checked all the kindergartners for head lice.
Okay. I'm a little confused here.
Are you? I think it's pretty clear. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. Now that we have an understanding, I'll just take a lollipop and be on my way. Yes! That was the last loose end. Now no one will ever know that I...
This is the part where you get into trouble, so I'm gonna stop you right here.
McBride, I got you something. Your very own golf cart. Here's the key.
Wow, she's beautiful. But why are you doing this?
I heard about everything you did for our school. Even scrubbing Coach's boat so he could get his allowance. You've earned it, son.
Well, I don't know about that.
There's that winning McBride humility. You know what? You got more than perfect attendance. You've got perfect character.